Hello foodies, today we're going to be making this delicious Chana Masala recipe. It's very quick, simple, and easy, perfect for those hot summer days. For this recipe, we're going to need 2 cans of chickpeas, as well as 1 to 2 green chilies. We have about 1/4 of a bunch of coriander, 2 small onions chopped, as well as 2 small tomatoes chopped. Also have 3/4 of a tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1/4 of a tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon of haldi or turmeric, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, as well as 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Followed by that, I'm also going to be using a tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste, as well as 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of cooking oil into my pot. Then I'm going to put in the garlic and ginger paste, and you're just going to fry that up. Followed by that, I'm going to add in the tomatoes as well as the onions. And we're going to let those sweat and cook down basically until the onions get translucent and the tomatoes get a little cooked down. Once the tomatoes and onions have softened, we're going to add in the 2 cans of chickpeas, which I've just rinsed because they have a lot of salt in them, so I don't want to add that excessive salt. And it's always good to just give them a quick rinse because they've been sitting in the can for a very long time. Followed by that, I'm just going to add in the green chili. And then I'm going to add in all of the spices that we measured out. Now you just want to basically mix everything together. You want everything to kind of cook before adding in the water. Once it starts to get really nice and heated, then I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of the yogurt and just mix that in as well. And then lastly, I'm just going to be adding in 2 cans of water. I'll put the exact measurement in the description below. But also this does depend on how thick or thin you want your end curry to be, because we're going to be reducing it up to half of the liquid that we have in there right now. This is actually quite a delicious, light, easy and quick dish, perfect for the summers, but also it's really good for if you want like a different option from your regular routine. It's a really delicious, quick and easy dish. You can also add boiled eggs to it, or you can use chicken in it as well. So when you're frying up your onion and garlic and the spices, you can cook chicken, get the chicken to be fully cooked, and then add your chickpeas and move from there. So it's a very versatile, easy, delicious dish. I'm going to finish it off once the water has evaporated halfway with some garam masala as well as the chopped coriander leaves. And there we go. It's ready. It's really delicious. Make sure you guys try it out. Perfect for summers when it's really hot and you don't want to spend a lot of time in front of the stove. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.